A playoff rivalry is renewed at Little Wrigley for the 4th time in 5 years. Welcome to Little Wrigley, folks. I'm Ethan Ibach alongside Harper Schultz. Harper, it's the Monkeys and Spiders yet again in the quarterfinals, just like last year.
No, I feel like they're familiar foes. We see them often, and we're excited to be here.
Yeah, so Kellen, for the teams that are here today, for the Monkeys, obviously Kellen's going to be late, so probably won't be here for game 1. So what's the plan here for the pitching for game 1?
We'll start with Sam Bond, see how that goes. I mean, there's a chance you see Harper Schultz on the mound, and Bo Purdy's stomach's hurting a little bit, so we'll see how that plays into effect. So we'll see.
All right, and then the Spiders, they should have a full squad today. They have Jack Joyce, Tay Grandy, their manager, Noah, of course, Colby Ebling. So it should be looking for a fun matchup today. Let's go down to the field for some player interviews. All right, Noah, you're in your 5th year now. You've been through all the playoffs. What makes this team different, and how do you think this team can get over the hump this year?
Chemistry. Everyone's thriving. They're doing their jobs. It should be fun.
So is the plan to go with Jack the whole way through? Because last year, he kind of got hit around by the Monkeys. What's the pitching plan today?
Jack as long as he can. If Colby feels up to it, we'll let him know.
All right, good luck, Noah. All right, Sam, rookie year, your first playoff series. What are you looking to do today?
I'm trying to dice today. You know, Kellen's gone. Got a lot of pressure on my shoulders here, but got to prove the haters wrong.
All right, let's go down the field for the games, folks. All right, here we go. Jack Joyce on the bump. The postseason in effect here. 0-1. Got him. Freezes him. 1 down. Harper to the plate. 1 down here. That is popped in the air. Caught by Jack. A 1-2 inning. Bottom 1. We got no score. 1-1.
Down.
I'll look. All right, after further review, it hit the corner. Strike 2. 1 down. Full count to Jack. Ticks into the zone at 62. We're going to the 2nd. We got no score. Not even close. That is up the middle, and it's gone! Bo Purdy with a bomb! It's 1-0 Monkeys. Oh my gosh. He doesn't get a hit the whole regular season, and he gets a bomb in the postseason. The Monkeys live for the playoffs. 1-0. Full count to Sam. Nobody out here. Freezes him. 1 down. He just threw a bat at the home plate. That is past Colby. Good swing from Harper, a single. Monkeys are not chasing. Walks him 1st and 2nd now. Wind picks up. Just a bit out, and he walks him. And they're loaded for Harper. 0-1 to Harper. That is gonna get a run in. Bo's gonna round. He's gonna head for home. It's 3-0 Monkeys. Harper with another clutch hit. Unbelievable. Full count yet again. Got him. All right. We're going to the bottom of the 2nd. Monkeys are up 3-0. 62 gets him. 1 down. That's how they roll. Full count to Tate. Big pitch. Outside, he walks. Back to the top of the order for Colby. 0-1 here. Sam looking to get out of this inning. Got him. Sam is dealing. We're going to the 3rd. It's 3-0 Monkeys.
First day,
I'm back. I'm back.
0-1. That is deep to left and gone. They add on. 4-0 Monkeys. The Monkeys are coming alive in the playoffs yet again. Every year, it seems it happens. 0-1 here. 1 down. 1-1. Swing and a miss. We are going to the bottom of the 3rd. The Spiders need 4 or they will lose. Here we go. Bottom third. Spiders need runs. That is fouled off at 60. He's sitting there at 60. That is up deep to right field. And Harper makes the play. They're down to their last out. Down to their last strike. In play to Sam. Got him, what a play! And the Monkeys take game 1. Oh my goodness, what a performance. Sam is dealing. The Spiders fall in game 1. Here we go. Game 2, the Monkeys are the home team. The Spiders looking to fight off elimination. Swing and a miss, 1 down. Here we go, 2-0. Walks him, Spiders, finally. 2-0 to Colby. Walks him, first and second. That's what they need. Grounded to Bo. Safe. And they're gonna be loaded now. Monkeys in a jam in the top of the first. 1-1, a huge pitch. That is up the middle, it hits the tree. Oh, he dropped it, and it's 1-0. Oh no, he had a great chance. Full count, Sam looking to limit and get out of this. That is gone, a grand slam. 5-0, a huge home run. 5-0 is the score.
Let's go!
That is what they need.
He missed home! Let's go!
That is a fair ball, off the wall. A single. Spiders are feeling it at the plate. Grounded, right to Harper. Got him, nice play. We're going to bottom of the first. 5-0 Spiders.
Now it is.
Takes it into the zone, 1 down. Quick out. 1-0. That is up the middle and gone! A solo shot for Harper. 5-1. They're gonna keep chipping away. The Monkeys will not go down without a fight. Shout out to Dickinson State.
I think Jack's given up 4 bombs today. It's not very good, but we're still winning.
Swing and a miss. He gets out of it. Going to the second, 5-1. 1-1. Quick pitch. In play. Sam can't make the play. That's a single. Another 1-1 pitch. Grounded. That's a fair ball. Kate is going to hold up. And we got first and third. Jack's going to go. And it's second and third now. Got him at 60. 1 down. Okay, now it's a full count. That is up the middle and gone! It's Karma! 8-1. He looks into his own camera. Cut to the angle. 8-1. All right, let's go. Pick it up. That is up very high. Bo makes a play. All right. Bottom of the second, 8-1. Monkeys looking to chip away. It's 8-1. Kellen will step in. Oh.
Good swing.
Woo.
Good swing.
One down.
Let's go, Sam.
Quick pitch. Swing and a miss. Going to the third. 8-1.
Okay, it was close.
Still a full count. And they walks him anyway. And that one is off the wall. First and second. Nobody out. from both sides. Got him. 1 down. Sam looking to get out of this 1-1 pitch. Grounded. Right back to him. Missed him. That's going to score at least 1. Colby's going to come home. He throws it, and it's 2-run error. 10-1. And they're gonna put Bo in the game. Game pretty much out of reach here. They are selling out for game 3 for sure. Grounded to Harper. Bobbles it, and it's 11-1. Hammered. Single. First and second. Throws it away. Jack is gonna go home. Oh, yep, there he goes. And it's 12-1. This game is out of hand. A reminder, there is no mercy in the 3rd inning, so this is going to go on for a while. That is gone, and it's 14-1. Sam with his 2nd of the game. Holds up, walk. It's 14-1. Crushed, 16-1. This is one of the biggest blowouts in playoff history right here. Noah steps in. First AB of the postseason. Here's another one. That is deep to left field. Catches it, and this inning is finally over. 15-run game going to the bottom of the 3rd. One down. All right, down to their last out here in game 2. Grounded, in play, right to Colby, and he boots it. We'll give him a hit. Walks him, first and second. Grounded, past Sam, misses him. Bo's gonna go home. Oh, and he bobbles it. That's gonna score a run. 16-2. They cut it to 14. Get out of this. Does it again, and he walks. Bases loaded. 2-0. 16-3. Full count. Holds up, and it's 16-4. And 16-5. Could be interesting. That is deep. Tate is camped under it, makes the play, and that will send it to an elimination game 3. Winner to the semifinals. All right, this is what we live for. Elimination games. Loser season's done. Winner to the semifinals to play the Cowboys. Jack on the bump for the Spiders. Doug will lead it off in this elimination game. Strike 1 at 57. 1-1 to the leadoff man. Got him, he paints. 1 down. Harper to the plate. Takes it into the zone. We're going bottom 1. No score.
Kellen's gonna throw a no-hitter. I'm calling it now.
Here we go, Tate to lead it off. Spiders looking to get that leadoff man on. Walks him, leadoff man on. 1-1 to Jack. Swing and a miss on the riser, 1 down. 1-1. That is up, deep to center field, back at the track. Oh, he almost robbed it, it's gone. It's a 2-run shot. Harper almost made the play of the year. 2-0 Spiders. Oh, that would have been the play of the year. Oh no. That would have been awesome, but it's a 2-run shot. Spiders lead.
Oh, I hit my finger!
Full count. Outside, he walks him. Tate to the plate. Got him at 62. Going to the second, 2-0 Spiders. Here we go. Top 2, Monkeys trail by 2. Full count. Low, leadoff man on. Brings a tying run to the plate. Grounded to Colby. Safe! Safe! Oh, he comes off the base and he gets him out that time. No! 1 down. Oh, that's tragic. Oh, 1. Swing and a miss. Going to the bottom of the second, it's still 2-0. 0-1 to Jack. Got him on the riser, 1 down. Right to Sam, throws it across. Oh, misses him. That is to Harper, and he makes the play. The Monkeys need 2 runs to extend this game. 3 to take the lead here in the top of the 3rd. Harper to lead this inning off. They need base runners. Here we go. Harper to lead off the top of the 3rd. That is gone, and it's a 1-run game. Harper's feeling it. Unbelievable. They still need 1 more. Bo to step in. That is to right field, and it's a tied game! Oh, it's like Bob, oh my goodness. 2 pitches in a row, it's a tied game. The Monkeys are coming alive. And there's still nobody out. That is gone! It's a 1-run game. Yeah, where's Will? That is to right field. Grounded, past Colby, a missile. Unbelievable. One second. Takes it into the zone. Oh no. 1 down. Harper to step in. Got him. And the Spiders need 1 to move on. Here we go. Bottom 3. Spiders need 1 to go to the semis. Monkeys looking to send this to extras. What a series it's been. The Spiders want it. Got him, freezes him, 1 down. Freezes him, we're going to extras. Instantly, we're just like everyone else. Walks him, leadoff man on. Got him, 1 down. Doug will step in, looking for a big swing here. Doug's having some good ABs today. This one no different. Quick pitch, outside, he walks him. And that brings Harper Schultz to the plate. He's hit 3 home runs today. This is his moment. Oh, 1. That was low. 1-1 to Harper. That is gone! Or is it? It's gone! A 3-run bomb for Harper in extras! And the Monkeys take a 3-run lead! Oh my gosh! Having a day. The captain.
Can I get time?
Yep, time. He wants this. What a swing. That is deep to left and gone! And it's 6-2! The bad flip too. Oh my goodness. That draft pick is coming in. 0-1. Right back to him, caught it. And the Spiders need 4 to tie, 5 to win. Kellen's ready to go. Living just under. Got him at 61. One down. They are down to their last out. Swing and a miss. Down to their last strike. Hits him. 1-1. They just need one more strike. 63. Can't control. I can't control what it says. Got him at 62, and the Monkeys are moving on. They're going to the semifinals for the second straight season. Oh my goodness. What a series. Kellen dices. Harper has a great day at the plate, and they will take on the Cowboys for a trip to the World Series. Another first round exit for the Spiders.
All right, not the interview we want to be doing. We hate to do these, but Southern Spiders first round exit yet again. Start with Tate Grandy. Tate,
Get the camera off me.
had an up and down year this year. You had a decent day today at the plate. Just kind of describe your season.
You know, I honestly thought we had a pretty good regular season. Everybody stepped up when they needed to. Maybe I didn't have the best regular season, but you know, Kobe, Sam, and Jack, they were solid this season. You know, just can't seem to get it done in the playoffs.
All right, yeah, well said. And then we'll scoot over to Jack here. Jack, you had a great year. You were a Cy Young finalist, MVP finalist. Just kind of describe your season, but the disappointment of not winning.
Came off of those two no-hitters from the Bulldogs. Had a lot of confidence, and the Spiders might need to find a new ace.
I don't know about that. You had a good year, but we'll move over to Sam here. Sam, talk about having a terrible start here and then just absolutely redeeming yourself at the end. You had a good day today. Just kind of describe your season.
Yeah, I felt pretty good. Hit for power this year, which was kind of good from coming back from last year. But no, we came into the series really well after beating the Bulldogs, and I don't know. We just once they won game one, you definitely could tell it was anyone's game.
Yeah, and then we'll scoot over here to Colby. Colby, coming to this league and you immediately make an impact for the Spiders. You're MVP finalist. We'll see if you win, but just kind of describe the season.
We started out slow against the Knights, it was. We started picking up, everybody started hitting better. Sam, great job bouncing back from those first two series. But, we didn't get it done today, but next year we got it.
Yeah, well said. And then last but definitely not least, the manager, Noah Riley. 5 years in, still looking for that ring, but to kind of just describe the season, you guys had a good year.
Yeah, I guess wouldn't have rather done anything with a group of guys. Not the way we wanted, but it is what it is.
Yeah, well said.
There's nothing else to do.
Yeah, well said. Hope to see you all next year, but yeah, good luck next year. Metro Monkeys off to the semifinals for the second straight season. We'll start here with Bo. You didn't have the best regular season. You come to the postseason, you just have a day. What was going well for you today?
Bombs. I don't know.
All right, well said. We'll move on to Sam Mon here. Sam, you had a great day on the mound until game 2, and then you contributed at the plate too. How excited are you to get to the semifinals?
I'm thrilled. You know, beating the Spiders, talking a lot of crap today, so it was a big win.
All right, good luck in the semis. We'll move over to Doug here. Doug, you showed up late. You just pitched an absolute gem in game 3. You had a good day at the plate. What is it about the postseason where you guys just come alive?
Yeah, regular season doesn't matter. We'll come in last. It doesn't matter. So we just come in, do what we need to do, and go home at the end of the day.
Yeah, well done. All right. And last but very not least, Harper Schultz. Harper, I think you had 4 bombs today or whatever it was. He's a vet. He's
my guy.
Looking to get back to that World Series. What is it going to take next week or whatever it is to beat the Cowboys?
I mean, morale, teamwork. We got to be able to close games like we did today. And Doug changed the narratives. He finished the game, and that's all we can ask for.
All right, folks. Metro Monkeys. You'll see them in the semis.